Hello everyone, I am Dr. Priyamvada Dinesh Bhatt, Assistant Professor in English. The students, the research scholars, they want to do the research in English literature. So that at the outset, what things they have to do before starting their research, today I will tell this thing very briefly. It's called the research methodology in English literature. Research methodology in English literature refers to the systematic process of analyzing, interpreting, and evaluating literary texts. It involves various approaches and techniques to study literature critically and contextually. The key aspects are selection of topic, review of literature, theoretical framework, research methods, data collection, primary and secondary, analysis and interpretation, and finally documentation and citation. Let's have a glance one by one. Selection of topic. Identifying a specific area, author, genre, theme, or literary movement for research. Second, review of literature. Examining existing research, critical essays, and scholarly articles related to the topic. Theoretical framework. Applying literary theories such as feminism, structuralism, post-colonialism, or psychoanalysis to analyze the text. Fourth is research methods. Textual analysis, comparative analysis, then historical and cultural context, interdisciplinary approach. These are the things. Fifth is data collection. Gathering primary text means novels, poems, plays, etc. Then gathering secondary sources like critical essays, biographies, etc. Sixth is analysis and interpretation. Drawing conclusions based on evidences, literary theories, and criticism. Seventh and final is documentation and citation. Following academic writing standards, for example, MLA or APA or Chicago style, for referencing sources. A well-structured research methodology enhances the depth, originality, and credibility of literary studies, helping scholars contribute meaningfully to the field of English literature. I think this will be helpful for the research scholars or the students who are going to do any worthwhile work in English literature. Thank you.